This is the elevator at the University of South Florida Sarasota-Manatee campus student commons in Sarasota, Florida. We've got ThyssenKrupp Aurora. Let's go to 3. Here we are at 3. There's a traditional ThyssenKrupp call station up here. There's your view out over the campus. Again, traditional button. Let's go back down to 1. You can see there's your call phone or help phone right there. There's more of your buttons. That right there is your certificate. And there's padding over all of this. So this elevator appears to double as a service elevator. And, or actually I can't get it from that wall. That is what the cab looks like underneath. So actually, on second thought, let's go up to 2. I was gonna end it here, but I kind of want to check out to see what the intermediate call station looks like. Do you think it's gonna be an Aurora or a traditional, or maybe something different? Let's find out. It is Aurora. It looks like this might be going up. So let's wait to see if it does. In the meantime, let's just look out the hallway. It didn't go up. Alright, let's go back down to 1 and end it there. I'm trying to reflect what the color of the button actually is. In the video, it's coming out pink, but in person, it does not at all look pink. Just like the indicator, actually. Alright. There it goes. And that'll be it.